Property preservation and maintenance is essential to keeping your property safe, secure, and visually appealing. Whether you're a homeowner or managing rental properties, regular upkeep is key. Having the right tools and equipment is crucial for proper property maintenance. First, you'll need a reliable vehicle, like a truck, to transport your equipment and supplies. A push lawn mower is a must-have for maintaining your lawn. It ensures a neat, tidy appearance and promotes healthy grass growth. Keep your shrubs and bushes well maintained with a shrub trimmer. Regular trimming helps maintain the property's curb appeal and prevents overgrowth that can become a safety hazard. In colder climates, snow removal is essential. Whether it's shoveling by hand or using a snowblower, clearing walkways and driveways ensures safety during the winter months. A snowblower can save time and effort by quickly removing snow from large areas, reducing the risk of slips and falls. During the fall, a leaf blower makes it easy to clear away fallen leaves, preventing them from accumulating and blocking drains or creating slip hazards. Landscaping is also an important part of property preservation. Planting flowers, adding mulch, and ensuring proper irrigation all contribute to a vibrant, well-kept property. By investing in the right tools and committing to regular maintenance, you'll not only protect the value of your property, but also ensure a welcoming environment for residents and visitors alike. Let us handle all your property preservation needs. Contact us today for a consultation on how we can keep your property in top condition.